Good morning, everyone. I'm doing a review today on a company called wall26.com. They sell canvas prints, wall murals, tapestry, peel and stick posters, and I ordered this personalized photo canvas, meaning that I uploaded my own picture and I wanted my picture to be printed on a canvas and then sent over to me. I paid $25 basically per piece. I think it was a 12 inches by 16 inches. I ordered this, placed an order on Tuesday night or Tuesday evening, and now it's Thursday morning. I just received it. And I'll go through the unboxing in just 1 second with you guys. I do have to add that the shipping was free. It was delivered by FedEx this morning. Wall26 did promise on the website free 2-day shipping, so they did stand up to the promise. So I just want to note that because it's a big deal. So for a lot of us. All right, let's see here. This open. So this is a personalized photo canvas that I ordered from Wall26. Wow. So this is what it looks like. It came in tightly wrapped. So this is a gallery canvas print. Make sure everybody can see this. It came in tightly wrapped cellophane paper or plastic. Inside of it, there is a set of screws that you can easily, it looks like, put on the frame of the print, and then so you can attach it to the wall or whatever you're gonna hang this on. So this is really, really nice. It was cheap. I think I paid like $25 or something, free shipping. Let's see, one more. Yep, I got 2 of these. Same kind, also came with the brackets and little screws that look nice. And I'm gonna be putting them on the wall today. So, thank you, Wall26. And this is what the final product looks like hanging on the wall here in one of my kids' rooms. Beautiful, fast, affordable. Love Wall26. Thank you.